I'll be back in some form, either in Parquet Courts or with a savage, with a band, or maybe just hanging out. This is off a Parquet Courts record. Maybe, if I had to pick a favorite, maybe it would be the record Sunbathing Animal, and this is off that record. Mamasita, catch me now as I sing. Into darkness, I thought to be extinct. Chill my eyeballs as the curtains were torn, and shed a light so bright, shining like the day I was born. Mamasita, take from me what I stole. Oh, I get a look from you, and it flips me to a blank page in my soul. Like a left open window, ignored, it cuts to my core when I see you cry. Mamasita, I prepared my defense, and as flawed as ever, in the drunkest tense, I kept repeating myself in my native tongue, the parlance of the problem itself. Mamasita, hold me now as I ache. Yeah, she's got a real tight grip, and she's rocking, trying to shake me awake. Turn on the white noise, mama, of the AM band, and the last classic rock band's last solid record creeps in, a call out of the blue from a cool old friend. Instant Disassembly. Mamasita, into pieces I fall. Oh, you did your heart no favors, darling, when you taught me to crawl. Don't beseech me for the answers you seek. I kept explaining that I was too tired to continue to speak. Mamasita, hold me now, I insist. Oh, you've gotta trust me when I say long for something better than this. Kept repeating There was nothing left to dismantle. The house had just collapsed on itself. Instant disassembly. Mamasita, turn me loose as I bleed. Oh, it seems like she's got a spotlight cast on the dark side of me. And I get a pain so acute, like I'm being impaled. And I can't breathe, it's hard to inhale, yeah.